in a new documentary series devoted to mental health and called The Me You Can't See, released this Friday, May 20th on Apple TV+. The Duke of Sussex went over with Oprah Winfrey an interview described as explosive that he gave her with his wife Meghan Markle last March. The Duke of Sussex, who spoke without taboo about his addictions after the tragic death of his mother, he spoke about what happened before the interview and spoke about the discomfort of his wife the day before the broadcast of the show. "I was woken up in the middle of the night by her muffled crying in her pillow because she didn't want to wake me up, feeling that I was already carrying too many things. It was heartbreaking," he confided in pain as he remembered his obviously upset wife. "I hugged her, we talked, she cried and cried and cried." For him, leaving the United Kingdom and the firm was a way to ensure that history would not repeat itself, and to avoid losing the other woman in his life. Prince Harry bitterly regrets not having taken a position earlier, in order to support his wife. He stressed that they received little support when they asked for help. The interview only made the situation worse, which Prince Harry does not understand, does not forgive. Very badly perceived, the interview broadcast on CBS was like a bomb. With the main target being the members of the royal family, the latter are surely not going to appreciate this media intrusion into their lives. Yet Prince Harry appeared to be sincere and without malice when he spoke to Oprah. He swears this interview was real and genuine. "I like to think we were able to speak the truths in the most compassionate way possible, leaving an opening for reconciliation and healing," little Archie's father said. He only met silence and incomprehension. Relations between the Windsors and the Sussex couple are now more fragile than ever.